We have the front tow hook. That's where we have our anchor point. Then we have our Harbor Freight pulling mechanism, and we have it all hooked up to our anchor point here. What's up guys, DIY Salvage Guy here. Welcome to the channel. On this channel, we just learn as we go. And on this episode, we're gonna try to do a DIY body pull, but we're gonna have some issues, obviously, because that's what we do here. So subscribe down below, follow along with me, interact with me, let me know how I can improve. Subscribe, like, share with your friends, help me grow. Follow me on all the socials at DIY Salvage Guy. Turn on those post notifications, ring that bell down below. Check out the merch line down below as well. And most importantly, thank you guys for being here. So this is our pulling kit attachment. Got it from Harbor Freight. It should attach to our other kit that we have already. So let's pop this open. Oh boy, this thing is heavy. I think it has to weigh like 80 pounds. Let's pop this open, check it out, see what we're dealing with. So this kit comes with a couple different things. Paint's peeling off of it already, so not the greatest start. Looks like this might have been used already. But we'll see. We're going to play around with this, see how it actually works and what it looks like, and go from there. Alright guys, we're back and we have the battery all charged up again. I don't know how it died. It wasn't plugged in or anything, but we had it on trickle charger. So we're going to install it again and make sure that it starts. And what we're also going to do is, with these headlights, we had an issue on the driver's side originally where the plug actually kind of pushes the connectors out and it makes the headlight go out. So on these, you guys have these three little connectors, these plugs that plug the male plugged into the female, and the right side of it doesn't actually line up correctly. So we did it on that side, it worked out pretty all right. So we just need to basically shift this plug up or down a little bit. That'll fix this headlight. So we're gonna take care of that. Then we'll take care of this battery and plug it in. And then we might even start trying to pull the frame today as well. So, but we'll take care of this right now. All right, we got our truck set up. We don't have a frame machine, guys. This is DIY. We're gonna see what we can do with this. Worst comes to worst, we take it to a body shop, but I would be remiss if I did not at least try. So we got some chains. We have our hydraulic pulling equipment, pushing equipment. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up. We're gonna set it all up. We're gonna attach all the chains. We need this pump, obviously. And we need our pulling attachments as well. So I'm gonna get this all set up, guys. I'm gonna throw this in a time lapse and I will give you an update. All right, so we're all set up. I think the best that we're gonna be. So what we have here, show you guys real quick. We have the front tow hook, which is very secure for this F-250. So that's where we have our anchor point. Then we have our Harbor Freight tool pulling mechanism. We have that connected with maximum strength chain and also anchors. And we have our Harbor Freight jack that we're going to be using, and we have it all hooked up to our anchor point here, which is the frame rail push bumper, which is connected to the frame rail, and we will hopefully be able to pull that out. We got it looped around 3 times, so we should get a nice secure pull on that, and we'll adjust as we go, and we'll give this a shot. We're gonna stand back a little bit because there are going to be some pretty high forces here, and we'll hope for the best here. All right guys, here goes nothing. Alright guys, this was more or less a proof of concept. It does work. It's just that the issue is that the car is actually moving. So I'm gonna have to anchor the front of the car. I was hoping that I would be able to pull out the frame without needing to anchor it, but luckily we have a bunch of trees around the property. So tomorrow I think I'm gonna try to do this again with anchoring it to a tree and seeing how that goes. The process was working, it's just that the car was moving, and that's why I think we were not able to do what we wanted to do. If we still can't do it, worst comes to worst, we will get in touch with the body shop and have them do it. Truck should be ready tomorrow, so we can always tow it over there if we can find a trailer. If not, we can AAA it over there and be good with that. Alright, so just going to give this a quick test here, guys. You saw me basically just fixing up the headlight. Fix that all up, so we'll just give it a test real quick, make sure that it works. And also, I just want to show you guys the turn signals, because I think they look pretty damn cool in this as well. So both headlights are on. We get the daytime running lights. We'll get to the fog lights eventually when we get everything all hooked back up, but here's a quick look. It looks pretty awesome there, guys. You got the sequential 3 ambers in the turn signals for the daytime running lights. They switch. This car is going to look awesome all said and done. I can't wait to get the front end at least completely done, because the car is going to look awesome. It's going to look so good. And so we're almost there. Really need to paint the bumper and we'll be good. But I don't want to do any of that until we get the rear end all figured out as well. It's got to get a little bit warmer as well. But looking good right now, guys. Little by little, we'll do what we can while we can do it. But loving the look of this. We might even leave it outside so that it can get rained on, kind of clean up a little bit. And we'll go from there. So that's gonna do it. We didn't really get too much done, but we did learn a lot. We're learning as we go here. So Next episode is gonna be about a winch. We're gonna see if we can hold this vehicle in place and see what we can do with that. Tie it up to the truck, maybe we'll have better luck, I don't know. But we learn as we go, and that's what we're gonna do. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe down below, like, comment, let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for being here. Turn on those post notifications, and hopefully you guys will be inspired by this and just pick up a wrench, buy a car, do whatever you need to do. Just try to become a DIY salvage guy yourself.